It was really sad for me, but as long as I still have friends, especially those two good ones, yeah, life's still good.
Noah started having some heart condition issues about 5 years ago. He started having some palpitations and some lightheadedness, and those began about the same time that his brother Isaiah was diagnosed with aplastic anemia. So when Noah started having heart issues, we thought maybe he was just having some anxiety attacks and some nervousness about what was happening with his middle brother. My husband has been dealing with a heart condition and symptoms for about 15 years. So we did start seeing a cardiologist in Sioux Falls. Through that time, Dr. Ian Law started traveling to Sioux Falls from University of Iowa Children's Hospital, and he, being a pediatric electrophysiologist, was able to look a little bit more at Noah's symptoms in relationship to my husband. Dr. Law asked if Noah had siblings, and when we said yes, we had 2 other sons, he said that he would like to just begin monitoring them. So we knew that there was something that was possibly genetically linked. In the fall of 2013, that genetic test became possible, and they tested our 3 sons, and in March of 2014, they were all confirmed to be positive for the same genetic defect. They have all been diagnosed with arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy, and it will be something that as they grow, it will continue to develop, and it is a degenerative type of disorder. Through the research, Dr. Van Bergen has found that in other cases as well, this particular condition is shown to speed up if you are extremely competitive or making the heart work extremely hard. We have been encouraged to pull our boys from all competitive sports. So the boys are adjusting. I think Noah was less surprised than anybody. He has been dealing with it. He has been preparing for it. For Isaiah, it was a crushing blow. It was with many, many, many tears. He still has moments, and I think that basketball season this coming year will be very difficult. Elijah has had a good attitude. He's a little young. Elijah said, I don't understand a lot of it, but I understand that my heart doesn't beat fast enough to send blood to my body, and that's a problem. So it's been really important for my husband to open up and share with them what he has been through, and that has been a really amazing bond to watch with them, even though it has hurt my husband's emotional heart to know that he shares this and that it has affected the boys this way, but it has brought them all 4 together.
It's been tough. It just really makes you look back at your life, looking ahead to my kids and what it means for their life. You know, for me, I didn't know I had it until just recently.
I would humbly thank both Doctors Law and Van Bergen for leaving Iowa City so often to fly to us in Sioux Falls, and that is not an easy task, and it's not something that we take for granted. Our boys' situation is a little specialized, and it's going to take some more research, and we truly appreciate their research.
It's helpful to have pediatric doctors dealing with your kids because they can talk to them in a way that they understand. They can use terms that they can relate to. My hopes and dreams for Noah, Isaiah, and Elijah are to live a active life. This genetic heart condition will affect them, no doubt, but it doesn't have to stop them. Medical advances are happening all the time, and who knows what could happen.
For each one of the boys, I hope and pray for them that they will first of all extend the kindness to others that has been extended to us. I also pray for them to have a passion for something, and if it is helping other people or whatever it is, that they will feel that passion, that they will be able to follow it. And I think, lastly, I do pray that they are able to have a family if they so desire, because for us, our family has been a huge blessing. You really begin to adjust what your true hopes and dreams are for children when they are medically challenged. You realize what things really aren't important in life and what things are. But as I look at the way that our boys are friends, the way that they have gone through things together, the bond that they have, I guess that's the way they're supposed to go through this as well.